This is section 2.6, page 153, number 23. They're giving you the graphs of functions, and they're asking you to match the graph of the function with its derivative without not even knowing the equations. So what we're going to be looking at is how the slopes of the tangent lines are going to behave. So I start off as 23a, and if you notice on 23a, in this region right here, the slope of the line is positive. So that means the slope of any line tangent to it is also going to be the same, which is also positive. And then here you have a corner point. Whenever you have a corner point or a sharp curve, or sharp turn rather, this is where you are not going to have a point of differentiability. So in other words, f prime of x at this point does not exist. Even though it's continuous at this point, we said that this is not differentiable at this point. And then as we go on forever and ever and ever here, the slope of the line tangent to the curve, or to the graph rather, is 0. So now we're going to match this graph with its derivative graph. Well, here on the horizontal axis we have x and then f of x. So we're comparing how f of x graph compares to x comma f prime of x. Well, here the slope is positive. There's no point of differentiability here. It's just some negative value. They didn't specify. But then as we go on forever and ever and ever, this is when f prime is 0. So here your choice is this graph down below. If you look at lowercase c, we have a function that's symmetric about the y-axis. So as we go from left to right, f prime, or the slopes of the tangent lines, are positive. All right, they keep increasing, and then eventually they're still positive, but they're going to decrease. And then here, f prime is 0. In other words, we have a horizontal tangent. And then from the right, the exact opposite's happening. All right, the slopes of our tangent lines become negative, so they sharply get smaller and smaller and smaller, eventually become less negative and get closer and closer to a horizontal tangent, which is 0. So our choice for our graph is this one right